we wanted to do something once and kind of do it right. And we felt like metal roofing was an opportunity to hopefully redo our roof and then hopefully never have to do it again during our lifetime. We have kind of an older house, a 1950s style house, and we wanted to give it a feel of a little bit of kind of modernity, but then also feel like it still fit in within our neighborhood. We had a couple different bids from a couple different places, and I think one of the different factors was that Glenn came out. He came out on his schedule, really worked around my wife and I's schedule, and sat down and kind of led us through the process. We were very impressed. Got a chance to see the samples, got a chance to kind of feel out what the roof would be like versus just getting kind of a quote via phone or via email. He was very communicative throughout the whole process, sent us emails, kind of set down a date, and then really stuck to it. Weather permitting, things worked out really well, and able to find kind of a nice slot for everything. They came up exactly when they said they would. They were here early in the morning, set up, got to work. We certainly love the roof. It looks wonderful. We know there's a lot of different firms out there that can do the work. I think the biggest difference for us is how communicative someone is, and then how willing they are just to work through all those details. And I think that's what was most impressive to us about the process.